Thursday, June 6th, 2024. I am here at Port 32 Marina, and this is a 65-foot-long skip liner that is also known as Always Our Summer Place. Now, before I show you the rest of the boat, I do want to make a point out that you're probably thinking, oh, it looks like there's still a lot of growth in some of these weld spots, but let me show you real quick what I'm talking about. Those spots are where skeleton shrimp like to nest. It is their season because the temperature is just right for them. Whenever I try getting them away, they do always come back, but the growth that is around them is gone. Thank you for choosing the S-Dive.